Let's now review the properties. So the role of the properties is they are exposing object data to the world, and they control how the data is manipulated. We have to ensure the internal object state is correct as well. And for example, price should always be kept positive, and this means keeping the object state correct. For example, the price cannot be negative, and that's why we should take care of that. Properties can be read-only, write-only, and here I place your link with some examples, and read and write. Simply the writing of code. That's their purpose. So defining a properties. Properties work as a pair of methods, and we have getters and setters. Getter is executed when you try to get the value. Setter is executed when you try to modify it to pass new value. Then we call it. And properties should have access modifiers, public, protected, or private. They should have return type, unique name, get and or set part. So if we have only get, then it's read only. If we have only set, it's write only. And if we have get and set, then it's read and write. As well, they can contain code processing data in a specific way. For example, applying validation. Here an example of properties. So I'm defining my class, I have the two fields, and then what I'm saying public get x coordinate. So this is getter of x coordinate, and this is setter of getter of x coordinate. So you can see that they're very similar to methods, except that here we have get keyword and set keyword. So I'm saying anytime you want to get x coordinate, execute this code, and this will just return the field. As well, here we can have return type, which is number, and that's the name. The other example is set x coordinate, where when you want to set it, this means that you want to modify it. So if you want to modify it or update it, then you have to pass the new value with which you want to change it. So here I'm passing value, which is from type number. I'm expecting this parameter, and I'm setting it. I'm saying this dot coordinate is equal to the new value that I just received. Absolutely the same is for y coordinate. So I have public getter y coordinate, which returns number, and I'm returning this private field. As well for setter, I'm saying public set x coordinate, receiving some value, and then I'm just passing it. We can have dynamic properties, and properties are not obligatory bound to a class field. They can be calculated dynamically. So here an example. I can have class rectangle with two private fields for width and height. Both of them are from data type number. Then I have some code here, and here is my property. I can say public get area. So you can see that area, we don't have some field like that. No, that's just dynamic one. And I'm saying that area property will return number, and actually the value will be this dot width multiplied by this dot height. So these are the dynamic properties. They're not obligatory bound to a class field and can be calculated dynamically.